Yes, hey Elite Code fam, welcome back. Now let's solve 116 populate next right pointer in each node. And again the question is pretty straightforward. You'll be given a perfect binary tree and all the leaves are on the same level and each parent will have two children. Yeah, and this is how the node is defined. There is another extra next pointer over here and initially all the next pointers are set to null. And what you have to do is you have to connect 2 to 3, 4 to 5, 5 to 6 to 7 like that. Again the question is pretty straightforward, and if you know level order traversal it becomes pretty straightforward to do. Yeah, look at the constraints. There is a chance that there is no root, so first get that out of the way. Yeah, just return the root as it requires an optional tree node as the return value, not an empty array. Yeah, and now again what you can do, again the best thing is level order traversal. Yeah, I know it, that's why I told like learn how to do level order traversal, because it's like really a good way to traverse a tree and it can be applied in many parts. So we'll have the root and yes, now you're done with level order traversal. And just now use a very small bit of logic. Now what you can do is it's while and tapped out. Yeah, now just have a temporary variable store the array, store the elements. And now what you have to do again, okay, what you do over here is you don't put the node dot value over here, because yeah, you're not actually connecting 2 to the value 3, but you're connecting node 2 to the node 3. So do one thing, directly put that node over here, directly put the tree node over here. And yes, and now see over here, look at a few things. Since if the length of the array is 1, that means length of this temp array is 1, that means you were in the root node. And since they are set to null and not any garbage value, so there is no need to modify that. So it's given over here, right? All the next pointers are set to null. So yes, what you have to do, if temp is equal to 1, then yeah, you are in the root, so continue. Or else what you do, see, the last node should be set to null, but all the previous nodes should be set to the next value. So it now, and your array temp array will have these values. So first you consider the fourth level, you will have 4, 5, 6, 7. So start iterating from 4 till 6, like 4 till 6, and for every ith value set the value of the ith value to the I plus 1th value. Yeah, I think this is pretty simple again. So do that for I. Yeah, I can use I over here because this I can be used because I have this. There is no other usage of I anywhere. It's append. Yes, for I in, don't go to the till the, yeah, since you don't need to check for 7, just go to the till the last n minus 1th index and temp at the position I. You are checking the node, you take the right, it's not the right value, it is the next value. Yeah, the next, and set it to temp at the position I plus 1. Yeah, it's that simple. And I think, yeah, the entire thing is probably done. Now now the original root has been modified, so we can directly return the root. And let me just compile it once. That works. And yeah, let me submit it, and I'll tell you one more what you tell, an optimization which can be done rather than using a temporary variable. In the queue itself, you'll have all the levels. Yeah, let me submit once. Yeah, so I'll tell you the optimization which can be done. Yeah, yeah, it's like pretty simple to implement, and yeah, you implement it yourself and learn how to do. Yeah, what will happen is the queue, this queue will always have the entire level. So just have a, just make it some none value in the initially, and then you change. I think you have to change this from left to right. You have to go in the opposite way. So first you put 3, and since 3 is the first node, you will go to this one. First you put 7, and then okay, change this temp to the, just first you check if there is no temp, then continue, or else put temp is equal to 7, and then you pop out 6, set the next of 6 to the temp value, and then change the value of temp to 6. I hope you understood. And then when you go to check for 5, again you take the value 5 and set its next to the temp value. So temp will be having 6, now it will become 5, and after that you directly set it to set the temp to 5. Let me try to code it up over here. For that you have to go in the opposite way. Yes, temp is equal to none. If there is no temp, then what you have to do, just set the temp to node. Then or else what you do, you take the node and you take the next of it and set it to temp, and then you take the temp and you set it to the current node. And let me just check it out, because will it work? Okay. What is happening? You're actually popping the node which is value 3, and then you're append, and then you're checking it, and then you're taking 2. This should work, right? Because I just came up with this one now. I had thought of it, but I had not coded it once beforehand. Okay, what? I don't understand. What is this? I just submitted this. I just compiled the same code. It told it's wrong, and now it's working. Okay, yeah. I think some aliens hijacked my computer and made it so that it would fail one time, because yeah, I did not change anything. Yeah, I probably the only thing I did was remove the continue and put it as an else statement. Yeah, again, yeah, this is a really good optimization which can be done. Now we are using even less space, and yeah, this is dependent on network, so don't look at that. And I don't understand what is the most optimal way to do it. Yeah, these people are doing the same thing which I told. Yeah, these people are doing the same thing, but I don't know why mine took like so much space. Yeah, I think it's, yeah, blame it on the aliens. I think it, or it might be the government trying to sabotage me. Yeah, so it happens. Don't worry. Yeah, this is the most optimal way to do it. This thank you. Good luck grinding DSC.